Nancy Bourne from the school district's K-12 curriculum department
Something like this would be something you could do in your classroom easily.
works with Emerald Cove Middle School teacher Heather Everley at the 20th annual Palm Beach Technology Conference. The goal is to showcase the latest technology to help educate students.
Oh, I absolutely am a kid in a candy store. I love incorporating technology for my students. I know that they're very engaged on that platform, so anything that I can do to increase student engagement is a win for me.
We're trying to bring in the arts, we're trying to bring in technology, we're trying to bring in inexpensive materials that can further our mission to educate and inspire.
In the vendor hall, a 3D computer to teach anatomy. This demonstration shows how recycled materials come together to make art. And this product teaches students about connectivity.
The teacher's just open to having the students teach them as well as them teach the students, so they may know the content, the student may know the text, so when they get together, magic happens.
The technology conference also featured inspiring speakers like Kevin Honeycutt, who delivered the keynote address.
It's about turning your chaos into opportunity, turning your pain into rocket fuel.
The event is organized by the Department of Educational Technology. School district educators also enjoyed workshops, which will help them turn technology into effective teaching tools.
So I challenge you to provide opportunities for students to be able to show their thinking.
Teachers really need high quality, persistent training. The world around us is changing so quickly. Classroom is changing, the kids are changing, that the importance of this day is to really invest in our teachers with high quality professional development.
The technology conference inspired these educators. Now they hope to inspire in the classroom to ensure Palm Beach County school students have a world-class education.
This is the ground, and
I'm Rick Blackwell for the Education Network, keeping you informed.